Let's do a Toolbox Beauty haul. Look at that pretty box. So Toolbox Beauty is a brush line designed by celebrity makeup artist Hrush. I'm gonna take each one out of the box so you guys can see them. The top 6 brushes are the face brushes. It's 100, 101, 102, 103. It skips to, I believe, 106 and 107. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The bottom 6 are eye brushes. The first face brush we have here is number 100, and it says it's the dual-ended foundation brush. It has a nice soft rounded end on one and a soft but firm angled end on the other. The next brush is number 101. It has a nice dome brush on one end. You can use that for concealer. And a nicer one on this side. It's slightly less dense and a little longer. I forgot to mention this one's called the dual-ended concealer brush. Actually, concealer and setting brush. Number 102 is the contour and blush brush. Perfect for contour and blush. Number 103 is the dual-ended powder brush. It has a smaller, more tapered brush on one side and then a big fluffy brush on the other side. I love the quality of these brushes. They're very soft. Number 106 is the angled powder blush brush. Slight angle, perfect for your cheeks. Can't wait to use these in my kit. Number 107 is the highlight and finish brush. You can use this for highlighter or finishing powder. And that's all of the face brushes. They're gorgeous. Next are the eye brushes. 200. Looks like a little packing brush. Okay, the box says Precision Shader Eyeshadow Brush. 201 is just called the shader brush. It's very nice and fluffy. It reminds me of a Morphe M433 brush, but this one's a little more tapered and the brushes are way softer. And I would show you 202, but they sent me 2 201s. See, this one's the same as this one. These two are just like 2 201s, so I didn't get the 202. The name of 202 is the Tapered Blending Eyeshadow Brush. All right, 203 is the Round Blending Eyeshadow Brush. Bigger than the other two, fluffy and soft. I would use this for under eye, around the face. Number 206 is the dual-ended concealer brush. I love this type of brush for concealer. I pack on concealer right underneath the eye. This one I love for either smudging out eyeshadow underneath the eye or carving out the brows. It's a flat, soft brush, but it does have some firmness to it. The last one in this kit is 300, and it's the Precision Contouring Brush. You can contour your nose with this side, maybe get around the nose, around the lips, inner corners of the eyes. This one would be really nice for contouring the nose from the eyebrow into the nose. Do any little touch-ups around the lips. These brushes are really nice. I love the quality. I can't wait to use these in my bridal kit. Tell me which Toolbox Beauty brush you think you'll use the most in the comments.